Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be talking about how to bypass your router for your DNS server. So what I'm saying is if you don't want to use your router settings for the DNS server, you can use your computer to connect to the DNS server directly. So first of all, what you want to do under Windows 11, you go to settings, you go to internet, network and internet, and then you go to Wi-Fi because I'm using Wi-Fi in my case. You go to hardware properties. Again, the IP address for my Pi hole is 192.168.1.6. So instead of using automatic DHCP, you go to manual. You click save. And under Firefox, you go to settings. Then we go to privacy and security. And then you look for so what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down and see where it says DNS over HTTPS. You want to put that as off. So you don't want to use default protection, increased protection, or max protection. You just want to click that off. And then if we go to test my Pi hole, as you can see, there's no ads running. And I will give the link in the description on how to get to this website. It's fuzzthePieGuy.tech, and it's an ad blocking test. So my DNS settings is we're using Google, OpenDNS, and we're using Cloudflare. And I'm running this on a 2015 Raspberry Pi. Thank you, share, like, and subscribe. Bye-bye.